Now we'll see how to find out the regression coefficient using the matrix approach. We know that the regression model can be represented as y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x1, beta 2 x2, likewise beta p xp plus error term. So there are p variables and there are p plus 1 regression coefficients. You can see beta 0, beta 1 and this p. So there's p plus 1 regression coefficient. For each variable y1, y2, yi, we can write the equation with respect to beta 0 and the xi variables. This can be represented in the matrix form as y equal to y1, y2, yn. So it is n plus 1 order, n into 1 order. Next matrix is x. First column represents of 1, second column represents x1 variable, third column represents x2 variable, whereas last column represents the xp variables. So there are p variables plus 1, so it is, and there are n rows, so it is n into p plus 1 order of the particular x matrix. N into p plus 1 is the order of x matrix. Similarly, the beta 0, beta 1, beta p can be represented into beta as a vector, and it have the order p plus 1. There are p plus 1 rows into 1. So it is p plus 1 into 1. Now when we have this equation y equal to x beta plus error, we can calculate this beta hat as x transpose x inverse into x transpose y. So we require these quantities such as x transpose x, then inverse of x transpose x, then also we required x transpose into y. So first we will calculate one by one. First we will write the into matrix form. Like this we will write into matrix form. So first we will take y as a separate variable. Next we required 1 and the x1 variable. So for 1 I write, this is for 1 I can write for beta 0. So I will write for 1. So we got all as 1. So there are 10 observations. Now we got, this is the x matrix, this is the y matrix. We required now x transpose x. So we have to transpose this x matrix. So it's very simple to transpose this one. Select this, copy, then you make paste special. In Windows 10 it will be given as one arrow. Here we have Windows 7 as a transpose and values. So this is my x transpose matrix, this is x matrix. Now what I required? X transpose x. First matrix required as x transpose x. Now first see what is the order of x transpose. There are how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns are there? 10. Okay, so 4 into 10. Yes, 4 into 10. What is the order of x? 1, 2, there are 10 rows into 4 columns. So 10 into 4. So 4 into 10 and 10 into 4. So what I will get the order of this one? I will get the answer as order as, I will get order as 4 into 4. So this will be order of my x transpose x matrix. So I have to select 4 by 4 matrix. So I will take down little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows and 4 columns. Now here you have to write carefully. First we have to select this 4 by 4, then put equal sign, m multiplication, because it is a multiplication of x transpose into x. So m ult is a function of matrix multiplication. So select the first is x transpose. Select carefully. Next x, matrix of x. Do not select the labels. Do not select the labels. You have to be caution about this. We have to not select the labels. Once you have written this, do not press enter. We have to press 3 key at a time. Control Shift Enter. Then only we will get the outcome. Now you can see the first one is nothing but your n, number of observation. First cell will be represented as a n. So this is your tally point. Other things it is little bit you can say the equation types. So for your course you can have the simple check, that is the first cell is equal to n. Now we got x transpose x. Now we require the inverse of this. We require the inverse of this. So immediately we will do that one. So it is also 4 by 4 matrix. It is very simple. What we have to do? We have to write equal to m I n, m inverse. You can see the function m inverse, m inverse. Select this array. Again Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. At a time you have to press. So we get the now inverse of x transpose x. Now we have to calculate what? X transpose x inverse. That we calculate. Now we required x transpose y. We required x transpose y. Now what is x transpose? Already we have x transpose, y also is there. So first we will take the order. What are the orders of x transpose? 4 by 10. What is the order of y? 10 into 1. So what will be the ultimate order of x transpose y? That is 4 into